The last step to finish this polyurethane finish on this TV stand is to use 1000 grit sandpaper. And I just do light strokes like this. Because you don't want to remove much of the polyurethane. You just want to knock down the nibs and create the smooth surface. And this will help you to get a buttery smooth finish. Just that's all it takes. And then follow that up with a rag and then just wipe that polyurethane dust off. As you can see there, it looks beautiful, and it has a nice smooth finish. And if you're not satisfied with it, you can also go back over it lightly. Like in this area here, I noticed there was a little bit. Give it just a little bit more, not taking too much off. There, that's much better. Thanks for watching the video.